So friends, I am Harsha at RoboTech with yet another video. So in this video, my topic will be what can you do with your Raspberry Pi. So let us start. Here are some list. Here is the list. So we have got the private cloud. Own cloud is software which you can install on your Raspberry Pi, which converts it into an media server. Sorry, not media. Converts it into a server. And when you connect it to the internet, you can access it throughout your home network. And if you have an static IP, then you can even increase the functionality to throughout the world. So it's like basically it's a best use, I guess so. Then we have the media server. If you wish to view all of your files throughout your house at the same time, or if you want to view two different movies on two different, say, a computer or a mobile, then the best thing is the media server. It allows you to access your media data on all your devices connected to the home network. So Plex is such software which can be installed on Raspbian OS, but the problem is that it is only available on Raspberry Pi 2 Plus. So I guess I will show you, I will try to do something about that. Then we have got the wireless printer. You must be guessing that it's normal, so what's a great deal about it? But through this thing you can provide wireless functionality to all old printers as well. Then we have got the NAS drive. The NAS drive, or the network attached storage, allows you to access all your files on your hard disk throughout your home network. You can use this, you can even use this to upload your files so that you can back them up everywhere. Then as I said in my earlier video in how to start your Raspberry Pi, I have told you that we have been provided with GPIO pins to connect sensors and then the motors. So you can use it for robotics, and there are many uses. This is not only the Raspberry Pi does not have limited functionality. It has a large variety of functions, but these are the best ones. And don't worry, I will be coming up with a single video on each of these ideas so that I can help you with doing them. So that's all for the video. I hope you have liked, subscribed and shared all my earlier videos. I will provide you link of the earlier videos in the description below, and also as a flashcard you can see them appearing on your right side. So that's all for the video. Thank you.